Hello everyone and welcome back. So for today's video, we'll be going back to a more kind of basic structured flow. So currently I'm working on a 7-day spring challenge, which will come out next week as of when this video releases. So the fourth week of May, it'll be coming out just in time before summer. And it's a 7-day kind of spring cleaning challenge. So you can look forward to that. But I have been kind of not feeling super creative for this week's video because I've been working on all these different videos. So I thought before we jump into that nice kind of themed spring, 7-day themed spring flows, we would do a back to basics kind of structured flow. So you can kind of expect some very familiar poses in their most basic of forms for today's video. So to begin, we're going to start in a nice basic seat, which is easy pose. So feet underneath the calves or almost underneath the knees, back nice and straight. Good. From here, take some deep breaths, bring those shoulder blades onto your back. And begin to arrive onto the mat. Good, 2 more deep breaths. Notice those noises, those textures, or the temperature around you, even the smells. Get away from that busy, cluttered mind. Good, 1 more deep breath. Excellent. From here, bring those legs both to the side. Come forwards into tabletop and sink the hips back for a child's pose. Deep breaths. So today, actually, let's go for that full child's pose. So hands come back next to the feet. Rest that head towards the mat. If this is a bit much for you, you can bring those arms in front and rest the head down. Breathe deeply. Good. From here, bring those arms overhead. Roll up into your tabletop. Bring the knees under the hips and the wrists under the shoulders. And from here, tuck the toes under. Exhale, lift those hips up and back. So bend the knees if you need to. Take your time. Deep breaths. Find that nice foundational pose, tucking the ribs in, pressing into the mat with the hands, and gently kind of spiraling those biceps outward. Press the hips up. 1 more deep breath. From here, we're going to do a few Vinyasa flows. So first, inhale, come forwards into your plank. Wrists under the shoulders, feet nice and backwards, sinking back with those heels. Deep breath. On the exhale, knees come down, lower forwards and down. Come into that kind of assisted chaturanga. Find the right angle in the arms. Then from here, lower those hips to the mat, lower the rest of the body down. Hands next to the chest. Inhale, round through the back up, lift for a cobra. So take it gently here. If spinal extension like this feels too much for you, then just use those muscles to begin with a baby cobra. Press into the hands, lift those hips up and back. Come back to downward dog. 2 more deep breaths. Find that alignment again. Every single time we enter these foundational poses, try and refine the alignment. Soon I will be releasing like exact alignment videos or tutorial videos because every pose is different for every person. So if you'd like to check that, then I will link it in the description once they're released. Good. Inhale, round back to plank. Lower the knees down. Keep it nice and sturdy in that upper body. Feel strong here as you lower down. Inhale, lift. Come into that cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Deep breath. Good. Breathe as deep as you have all day. Every time you enter your yoga practice, it's an amazing opportunity to breathe deep again. It's really good for those lungs to breathe in through the nose and fill them fully. Then exhale fully. Inhale back to plank, last one. Knees onto the mat, lower forwards and down. Inhale, lift. Upward dog this time. You can bring those legs off the mat for upward dog, or you can stay low for cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Good. Deep breath. On the next inhale, walk between the hands, come into that halfway lift. So we're looking for the length in the back, pelvis tilting forwards here. And exhale to fold. Normal forward fold. Deep breath. Press into the feet and we'll start some sun salutations. Lift the chest, maybe add a minor back bend here. Exhale, fold. Inhale halfway. Increasing the speed now. Exhale, step it back to plank. Inhale, then exhale, knees down, lower forwards and down. Inhale, lift that chest. Come into upward dog or lower down for cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Keep it nice and strong, every little transition. Try and use every muscle you can as you're moving through these poses. Good. Refine that alignment. Then inhale, walk between the hands again, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Press into the feet, rise up. Kick those palms, find that back bend. Exhale, hands through the middle, good job. One more, here we go. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Good. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step it back to your plank. Deep breath. On the next exhale, knees down, lower forwards and down again. Inhale, lift. Upward dog or cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Take your time with these movements. Just meet in down dog if Vinyasa feels a bit too much for you today. Deep breaths. Good. Inhale, walk between the hands, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Press into those feet, rise up, connect the palms, find that back bend. Exhale, hands through the middle, good. Nice, find that nice tall mountain pose. Arms next to your side, shoulder blades down your back. Nice and sturdy and steady. It's nice doing a quite like structured flow once in a while. Back to the basics. Good, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step it back to your plank. Deep breath. Doing these kind of movements really helps you as well to get used to linking your breath in every single foundational pose. Good, inhale here again. Exhale, lower forwards and down. This time, if you know your chaturanga, then give it a go. If you feel like you don't know the full chaturanga alignment, then definitely bring those knees down first. Inhale up. Exhale, downward dog. Good job. 2 deep breaths. Good. From here, Base on that left foot. Inhale, right leg up, three-legged dog. Exhale, round through the back. Bring it in as close as you can to the chest. Step it between the hands. Come into that lunge position. Get that base and foundation, feet hip-width distance apart. Inhale, lift up. Reach the arms up, find that back bend. Go into that normal crescent lunge. So palms are not connected here, they're just reaching up for the sky. You can add the back bend if you'd like. If it's too much, don't worry about it. Exhale, hands down. Inhale here once. Exhale, step it back to plank. Deep breath in plank. Then lower forwards and down with or without the knees. There is a lot of vinyasa in this sequence, so go ahead and skip it if you need to. Like I said earlier, head straight to down dog. 2 deep breaths. Good, base on the right foot. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, bring it through the middle. Round, round, round. Step it up. Good. Deep breath in that lunge. Press into the feet. When you're ready, inhale, lift. Reach the arms up nice and strong. Find every little positioning here. What I mean by that is the knee over the ankle, feeling sturdy, the hip flexor feeling sturdy, and only then add that back bend and worry about the arms. Focus on the foundation first. Deep breaths once you're there. Exhale, slowly, slowly, hands down. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, step it back to plank. Deep breath. Next, exhale, lower forwards and down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, downward dog. Good job. Nice. Deep breath. We're going to do that all again, but this time flowy. So feel free to skip that vinyasa after heading into the lunge. Here we go. Inhale, right leg up. With each breath, we'll move. Exhale, step it between the hands. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, step it back. Inhale and plank. Exhale, skip the vinyasa, head to down dog, or take the vinyasa. Exhale, meet in down dog. Good. One breath. Then other side. Here we go. Base on that right foot. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, round. Step between the hands. Inhale, lift the chest. Press into the feet. Inhale, lift. Deep breath in. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, step it back. Plank. Inhale in plank. Take your flow or down dog. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale back. Good job. Deep breath. Shake those legs out if you need to. If you're doing chaturanga right, you might feel those quads working in that pose. Good. Nice job. Bring those knees down, take a rest in your child's pose, sink the hips back. Hands can come into extended child's pose if you'd like, or give the arms a break. Bring them back to the feet. One more breath. And press into the shins. Inhale, lift up. Connect the palms. Exhale, place them down to the left. And shift over. connecting the soles of the feet. Oh, the sun's right in my face. Turn slightly towards you. You stay where you are. Inhale, reach those arms up. Coming into bound angle pose now. Exhale, hands come down onto the feet. Lean forwards. Deep breaths. Sink into the pose. One more breath. Then inhale, lift back up. Bring those legs back into easy pose. This time swap it. So the leg which you don't normally put in front of the other is in front of the other. Again, find that nice posture and take 2 deep breaths to finish off. There. Something lovely and peaceful about not adding too much complication, keeping things simple once in a while. So thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next week for 7 videos. So you'll get a video every day of the week starting on Tuesday. See you then.